So from the bottom up, we're going to start with the Northern Cape Tourism. So from the Northern Cape Tourism, it opens this page for you. You experience northerncape.com. So let's experience northerncape.com. So as experiencing northerncape.com, I was having a problem because I couldn't find where is their job vacancies tab. Jobs or vacancies, like where do I see? Like even when you go to business tourism, it's about business. Now we are not really, we are looking for work, a vacancy, J-O-B, Mubereko. So because I couldn't find that, this is the other thing that I explained to you in the previous video. Their addresses. You use this contact information here to reach out to them. Whether you go to their physical address, write them a letter, and you want to like a private bag. Private bag is not post office. It is private bag. Private. You only work privately, so someone has to monitor and look after those the postal service. Telephone, ashile, facsimile, fax machine. Wonder if it's still being attended to. There's an email address there, but this looks like it's for the marketing department, not necessarily to ask about job opportunities if they're there. But it is worth visiting here. But there's two offices. There's one on 14 Villas. I'm bad with Afrikaans names, I'm sorry. Yeah, but it's Filler Street, and another one here on Queen Street, Kimberley. So we have Queen Street and Fillers. So you can visit either of these addresses. You can contact them, find out if there's any job opportunities. So let's go to the next one in no particular order of favorite. Get the Northern Cape Liquor Board. We sort of go from the bottom going up. Bottom going up, I see Liquor Board. We click the website. What's wrong? You see? Not secure. There's a possibility where it's not a HTTPS. But whoa, alright. Economic Development and Tourism. Oh, okay, that's why maybe that other part was also showing us the address. So you can also visit this department. Yeah, the provincial government or should opportunities. Yeah, opportunities. Just so much was happening on the website. I was scrolling down and trying to see other things, but you can see as usual the Z83. Please make sure that it is the new Z83 where you have to put your initials, where you have to also sign and consent on certain sections. If you don't know how to fill in the Z83, it's in my channel, in my playlist as well, where I explain to you which sections are mandatory, which ones are you supposed to fill in like a generic form, like CV attached. But other sections you must fill them in. Please, it is for your own benefit as well as for the processing and checking of your application. Makes it much easier. And now, wow, they had an advert 3 November. It's already closed, but I like it because it means that there's often opportunities available here. They've already had an advert that closed recently, so this is worth putting it down as an employer of choice. Because they have just recently, you can see November, June, February, they've been having a lot of opportunities there to work. So after we're done with the Northern Cape Liquor Board, but I'm more reached actually to the Economic Development and Tourism Department. So let's see the next organization or business here falling under the provincial government of the Northern Cape. Northern Cape Heritage Resources Authority. The Northern Cape Heritage Resources Authority. Okay, let's reload. Yeah, you see when I say multiple tabs, open at your own risk. Things like this, multiple tabs, open at your own risk, because you find out overload your download and upload speed, and now you're having challenges with opening certain pages. So here we are on the ngwa vuswa ya Kapa Bokone, the National Heritage Resources Act. Okay, so it's in Mergoke. Structure, media, information, reports, school cases, applications. No, I do not want to be a heritage. No, I'm still young. I can't be deeming myself a heritage. Okay, see, nowadays contact us. You can reach out to them, ask if there's any work opportunities at the Heritage Resources Authority. So that is when you're not able to see it. Even they can share with you the link, or no one hai ashi linki ya horo kono bona hore mebereko he advertiser guy ashwa wa ngolo bona ba ku officing tsa ko teng ara one manager, senior admin, general cleaner, messenger. So this most likely the people wasn't sort of reach out to one, because the general cleaner and the messenger, there's less possibilities that they would have. You see, the email address of an ad. So on, the email address. Reach out to them, ask them about the work opportunity. You can even have more like 3 email addresses in one email. I can let this one. Oh, we can get the same R. Timothy. Write to R. Timothy. Oh, yeah. And copy the senior admin. Next, we have the gambling board. Gambling board does not have a HTTPS. Excuse me. Enter at your own risk. So go to our website, they might get my information. I chain of my information, and I think there's also a little bit of time limit. I'm just gonna take my info and run. So we are entering this. So Northern Cape Gambling Board, please look into this. And then about us, important documents and info. Let's see if America advertise check them. Database, SARS, tender documents. Contact us. That's where you go. Let's choose Takile, so we know where they're advertising their jobs. If there's any job opportunities that are open at the moment, contact them. Reach out, right? So let's go to the next one. Thank you so much. Not secured. When you see this video, please someone reach out, share with them. Otherwise, now when I do have a chance, I will take note when I do my editing to also reach out to them. Or hey, I found this and it could be a potential problem. As the gambling board, you're dealing with Batubadizak. Next one, Economic Development, Trading, Investment, Promotion Agency. Another one which doesn't have a HTTPS. Okay, entering it. Your connection is not private. Yeah, enter at your own risk. Me, I'm entering at my own risk. Learner don't see. If you see this page, web successfully start working on I think their website is no longer working. I'm no longer going forward. Lay my VPN, I don't think it can. I can test the limits of my VPN. Hey, what's going on in the Northern Cape province? And then Northern Cape Arts and Culture Council. There's no website, but there is contact information. There is an email address. There we go. Actually, video gonna pop up there on my bottom left. One Shile. Right there. But at the end, like way at the end, way there. So that's reach out to them. There's the phone number, physical address. See, the thing here we're looking for is for work, market or America. So the museum, Makereka Museum. I never worked at a museum. Is it like working at a library? See, too many tabs. Get errors like this. let's see, the McGregor Museum or Nalemu Bereko, or do they often advertise opportunities? So you can be in another province, at any part of the country, in any part of the world. You visit these websites, you see opportunities directly from the employer. That's the main benefit of these information that I'm sharing with you, is that you are able to verify directly with the employer. You're able to also get contact information about that employer. Okay, it's a museum. Okay, just got worried. COVID-19 pop-up warning. Right, okay. So you can also see the information about the same employer. Contact them. So that's the important part about it. So let's go departments. Looking for the HR department. Notice board here. I don't know what's on the notice board. Okay. Here. Since 2022. Alright. Then we contact. Reach out. Hello. My name is this. I'm qualified, or I'm able to do 1, 2, 3. I was calling to ask if there's any opportunities or employment that is available, or any similar work that you're looking for. Just right now I can't freestyle it because I'm not really prepared for that call, but when you are preparing for that, just as soon as you write it down and prepare just that cold call script, you are able to finesse it to the point where even you yourself, you present yourself within 10-15 seconds. You're able to explain who you are, what you're good at, and how you could help that organization if there is employment opportunities. I do flash no supported. Okay, but I would like to skip the intro. Thank you, skipping the intro, because now we're here for work, looking for employment opportunities, so that we can help organizations and businesses grow, so we can help them deliver more efficiently, so that they can reach their targets and goals. I'm not seeing employment opportunity. Products. Marketing. Agriculture. About us. Let's go to downloads. No. Q&A. Not under Q&A. Definitely not under the Q&A. I would think, but it's worth a try. Like, yay. Okay. Kalahari Kid. Wow, this is interesting. Yeah, visit, write to them, call them, email them. If this is the type of work that you're looking to do around the Kalahari Kid, producing superior quality goat and lamb products for the local and international markets. See, so if you have skills, knowledge, went to school for this, you qualified, you're an animal production specialist, you're a doctor, you're a vet, you could contact them, reach out to them, find out how best your skills and your knowledge can help them to produce superior quality goat and lamb products for the local and international markets, because that's what the goal is. So you need to figure yourself out. Even as a legal advisor, you see international markets, there's legal implications that are involved. You can even go there. So not all of they're working with animals, but there's other departments or things that they would facilitate, or challenges or expectations or processes that they have internally that would require a specialist or a person with knowledge or skills in that specific matter or issue. And when it comes up often, Like for example, the foot and mouth disease, it comes about often. So meaning the compliance manager would need to recognize that this is a regular problem and I would need to pay attention to it. Another one, taxes and SARS, the South African Revenue Services. You know it is an annual thing, as in annually. Now it's something you need to consider. Do you need to have a specialist on it? Are the issues that we are having in our audits or finances requiring us to have a specialist, or is it something that in-house we are able to do it, or we need to hire somebody in-house? So when you do approach some of these organizations and businesses, think about yourself as well. What skills can you bring forward? What knowledge are you able to bring into that organization, into that business, so that over to reach the goals, reach the objectives, reach the mission, because that is the whole reason the provincial government has established them. Or even in some cases you find out or they're actually even funded by the provincial government in order to continue with those objectives. So thank you so much for watching this video. Kim Mr. Gobe on Masterclass Ideas and DIY Tutorials. Sharp.